How does today's imagination become tomorrow's technology? Bringing new ideas to life presents unique challenges. Building a better future takes a team effort, and collaboration is essential to the process. Win together, leveraging a partner that's there with you as your business grows. Hawk Ridge Systems empowers your team to do what they do best by delivering best-in-class services, mentoring, support, and training. Providing world-class software solutions from SolidWorks, 3D Experience, Simulia, and CamWorks, along with top-rated 3D printers from HP, Markforged, and Union Tech, with 3D scanners from Artec. From conceptual design all the way to manufacturing, your innovation will soar to new heights, and our team is with you every step of the way. Contact us today to find out how Hawk Ridge Systems can make a difference for your business.